The history of the Vikings is filled with tales of legendary warriors, and among them are 12 individuals whose names have echoed through time for their deadly prowess and fearsome reputations. These Vikings not only raided distant lands, but also established settlements and trade routes, leaving an indelible mark on history. Among them was Ragnar Lothbrok, a legendary figure known for his daring raids across England and France, a name that still strikes fear into the hearts of many. Ragnar's legacy is filled with tales of cunning strategies and legendary battles, making him a central figure in Viking lore. Another notable figure is Ivar the Boneless, known for his ruthlessness and genius in warfare, leading his troops to victory despite personal challenges. Bjorn, Ironside, son of Ragnar, was renowned for his strength and bravery, leading expeditions that expanded the Viking territory into the Mediterranean. Harald Hardrada, often referred to as the last great Viking king, made his mark through the legendary Battle of Stamford Bridge, where he met his fate in a fierce confrontation. Freydis Eiriksdottir, daughter of Eric the Red, defied gender norms of her time and became a symbol of strength, leading daring expeditions to North America. Leif Erikson, famed for being the first European to set foot in North America, embarked on a journey that changed the course of exploration forever. The tales of these legendary Vikings continue to inspire generations, fueling the spirit of adventure and exploration in modern times. Today, their sagas resonate with adventurers seeking to emulate the fearless spirit of the Vikings as they explore uncharted territories and forge new paths. Events celebrating Viking culture remind us of their enduring legacy as people engage in activities that honor the skills and traditions of these legendary warriors. Modern explorers often seek to trace the steps of the Vikings, feeling the thrill of adventure that continues to inspire travel and discovery across land and sea. Museums and documentaries play a crucial role in preserving the Viking narratives, allowing us to glimpse into their world while inspiring curiosity about our own journey.